Welcome to MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today I'm on board a 2026 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. You'll see in the photos the boat has the Abaco blue hull sides. We've also outfitted it with the white rub rail with stainless steel insert, has the raised chrome graphics, and this boat does come with the galvanized trailer. We've put the option for the synthetic teak on the boarding platform that's both on the port and starboard sides. We've upgraded the engine to the 90 horsepower 4-stroke. Underneath the bench seat here at the helm, you have a single 19-gallon fuel tank, 2 stainless steel cup holders integrated into that bench seat. We've added the option for the dash applique, which gives it a nice look here at the helm, the windshield option, and then underneath you have a lockable storage compartment. On the side of the console you have a removable cooler which you can carry on, carry off. And then up in the bow of the boat you have a designated anchor locker. You can outfit this with a bow cushion here as well. That's a real quick look at our 2026 160 Super Sport. For some more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.